to another vlog. So I'm trying to find instant active yeast or literally any kind of yeast that I can find in the stores, but they are out of all yeast, flour, anything related to baking. And we have no yeast at home, and I really want to bake, so checking out all the stores online, but not able to find anything anywhere.
I'm just testing a few things.
He is still working. I mean, it's his working hour going on, and I'm just sitting here and trying to talk to him because I'm getting bored.
Hello everybody, and I walk into the kitchen with this going on, Japanese style omelette. I don't know if she showed you, she got this pan delivered today for making these omelets, and
Square
there
omelette.
she is making them. Oh my gosh,
Oh, look at that.
I decided to take one dinner roll along with this omelette. Look how pretty she has made. It looks amazing. And rest of them I'm gonna just eat on the side. So we are gonna have some snack right now. I know it looks a little bit heavy, and the reason for that is it's mostly egg, so
Yeah.
it's nothing wrong. And for dinner we are gonna have shake, so that's why we are having a snack at this point. So that is my plate. I had 2 rolls inside this little bun and 2 outside, and it's only 3 eggs that can produce like 8 cuts over here. So we use 3 eggs, some onions and tomatoes, cilantro and green chili. Ooh. Okay, I forgot to tell you that I made myself some dalgona coffee, but cold, and it tastes delicious. And Tanya is having instant hot coffee, and she stole some of my dalgona coffee to make it a little rich and frothy. And we're gonna watch Black Lightning. And by the way, if you guys haven't seen Shubh Mangal Zyada Savdhan, it's on Prime Videos. You probably want to go and see if you like light-hearted movies. Yep. So we're gonna go have some snack.
Lovely. Hi.
Where's your dinner? What you doing? Marvel, sit. Mommy is making you a dinner time, okay?
The most beautiful dinner in the whole entire world. Right?
Wow. Wow. Today, Mommy is making a beef blend with 2 chicken legs and a very good pumpkin on top.
Pumpkin on top?
Hmm? Wow.
Okay.
Delicious.
Shania.
Oh
Yeah.
अरे 2 डबल हो गया,
Huh?
2 डबल हो गया.
Wow. Finally.
सिम्पसन कायरोप्रैक्टर जो मैं चाहता था ना, वहां से उनका ईमेल आया कि नाउ दे कैन टेस्ट फॉर एंटीबॉडीज इन योर बॉडी, मतलब ब्लड ग्रुप में
एंटीबॉडीज। ओके।
कोविड-19 के, तो उससे ये पता चल जाएगा कि अगर कोविड-19 के एंटीबॉडीज ब्लड टेस्ट में आए पॉजिटिव, इट्स अ गुड थिंग, बट उससे ये कंफर्म हो जाएगा कि यू हैव हैड एट वन पॉइंट यू हैव हैड कोरोना वायरस,
इट वाज,
बट यू नेवर न्यू, एंड नाउ यू कैन नेवर गेट इट, बिकॉज तुम्हारे बॉडी ने खुद ही रिएक्ट करके, इम्यून सिस्टम ने एंटीबॉडीज क्रिएट कर दिए, सो यू नेवर शो द सिम्टम्स. and you are safe to go to work basically because तुम catch ही नहीं कर सकते.
So how can we test?
So now they are trying to increase this type of testing for antibodies ताकि लोगों को clear कर सके कि okay these people couldn't get it. But before that वो लोग confirm करना चाह रहे हैं कि this is a valid theory कि they couldn't get it. For most viruses अब तक जितने भी हुए हैं उनमें ऐसा ही होता था कि एक बार हो गया या तो तुम्हें दोबारा नहीं हो सकता क्योंकि तुम्हारी बॉडी में
हो गया तो और एक बार नहीं होगा.
ऐसे आ रहा है मतलब तुम्हारी बॉडी क्योंकि एंटीबॉडीज बना देती है टू फाइट अगेंस्ट दैट थिंग. योर बॉडी नोस लाइक कॉमन कोल्ड एंड फ्लू एंड थिंग्स लाइक दैट. तो ऐसा तो उसके ईमेल्स आ रहे थे. Okay, we done with his walk and guess what? This time I finally measured the temperature of the water.
Yeah.
And did whatnot, and the yeast, it seems to be doing its job because
Activated.
the dough just got tripled. Look at that.
I would say triple, double, or triple.
Looks like almost triple. But
Yeah,
anyways,
we just had 1 cup.
yeah. So now she's gonna just punch the dough in and make a baguette and then let it sit for 30 minutes and then we are gonna have a fresh baguette finished at home.
Yep, we actually have been waiting to make baguette at home and we were like, my god, we need yeast, we need to make baguette. We need to make that cucumber sandwich.
Yeah, and because the yeast wasn't working properly and we couldn't get it anywhere, I ended up buying the buns from outside for vada pav. Otherwise we could have just made it ourselves.
At home.
We were planning to make buns.
We tried 3 times.
Yeah, 3 cups of flour got wasted in
3 cup and then 1 more cup and then like something we did try to make like 3 times.
Yeah.
But it never worked.
But anyways, it's working now. All is good.
Yep.
Anyways, we are gonna let that sit for 30-35 minutes and then once it risen again, we are gonna make those marks and then we are gonna bake it and we'll show you how.
It's a very lucky day for me because I am gonna get a hair massage from Mayank today. So I wanted to apply coconut oil and I just asked Mayank, will you please massage my head? And he was like, yes! I think it's after ages, right? I mean, I always apply my coconut oil on my hair, but I don't remember when he did it last. Anyways, let's go and get some hair coconut oil chumpy. Okay, let's go.
Oh, it smells good already.
Yeah, the bread is in the oven and we are very excited. I'm definitely gonna taste a little bit today when it comes out, like a little bite. Tiny piece of bite. Oh, my battery is dying. And then we'll have a snack tomorrow. It's a very lucky day for me because I am gonna get a hair massage from Mayank today. So I wanted to apply coconut oil and I just asked Mayank, will you please massage my head? And he was like, yes! I think it's after ages, right? I mean, I always apply my coconut oil on my hair, but I don't remember when he did it last. Anyways, let's go and get some hair coconut oil chumpy. Okay, let's go.
Oh, it smells good already.
Yeah, the bread is in the oven and we are very excited. I'm definitely gonna taste a little bit today when it comes out, like a little bite. Tiny piece of bite. Oh, my battery is dying. And then we'll have a snack tomorrow.
Okay, so the bread is out, but as you guys can see, it got a little bit overdone. and that's because she was getting a malish.
Yeah.
It got literally 2
So
minutes
this color
overdone.
is good.
See,
The bottom, but the top I
yeah,
think
the top shelf got a little overdone, but let's break it.
Ooh.
Yeah, but look at that.
Oh my god.
Wait, it's too close, it's not
Hold on.
focusing. There we go.
Do you see this? Do you see that? Oh my god. It's perfectly chewy from inside and very light, and it's crusty from outside. So you can hear the hollowness. I'm very excited to taste it.
Go ahead, taste it real quick. The battery's dying. It's good. Came out perfect. Okay, well, that just proves that the bread came out to be perfect,
Yeah.
and we are gonna make some more.
And next time we're gonna put it for a little.
Yeah, 2 less minutes, so
Maybe. Yeah.
like 12 minutes
Or
instead of
maybe
15.
instead of 475, we'll do 450.
Yeah.
Right?
We'll see.
Because inside is perfectly and.
Yep. So, anyways, so that's what we are gonna do. We just wanted to show you the bread,
Yeah.
and it came out perfect. Tomorrow, there are gonna be some snacks.
Yep. Alright, my people. What's the time? It's 9:30 something. So we haven't really showed you our night routine, not like my skin routine or something, night skin routine, but in general our night routine. So I basically washed my face and everything. I've done my skin night routine, and because I have oil in my hair, I always change my pillowcase to this plain white one, and then use it until like I'm gonna wash my hair tomorrow. So I'm just gonna
Marvel got your bra.
Anyways, so what I was saying is that I'm gonna change my pillow cover to this a different pillow cover for my pillow, because I don't want to spoil my good pillow covers with my oily hair. So yeah, Mayank is gonna go take bath now, and then once he comes back, we are gonna read a book. So we usually read, not usually, we always read a book before we sleep. So basically that is our night routine. We read our book, and then yeah, be thankful for the whole beautiful day, and then we sleep. But yeah, I'm gonna change my bedsheet now, and we're gonna wait for Mayank, and Marvel is already here. So we put his bed in our room. Where is he? Yeah, over there. He sleeps in there, but he doesn't sleep in his bed the whole night. He sleeps for like maybe 1 hour, and then goes to our couch and he sleeps there, and then again he'll come back 2-3 hours, he'll sleep in his bed, and that is how it goes whole night. If you are a dog owner, you know how it is. But anyways, so this pillowcase, this one, it has a print here and then it's white from the back. We got this when we went for our first cruise together. That was on our first year of the wedding. It says between two hearts, and there's a key over here. I still have those pillowcases. And we also got one towel. I'll show you some other day, like sometime I'll definitely show you guys the towel. It has something written on it, I don't remember, but yeah.
Taking a shower. I usually do on a full moon night only.
Oh
So today was the day. Regardless, Tanya already told you that we read a book, so we are reading a book today. And I mean, we read it every night before we go to bed. So we are gonna just read the book, and then we are gonna go to bed.
He fixed his hair, and he does it like every day before sleeping, and it remains the same until the morning. I don't know how he sleeps, but it never gets spoiled, and I am like whoop when I wake up.
Anyways, are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, day 9. It is only with gratitude that life becomes rich. So for now, I think this is it. I know this is a different vlog. We are finally showing you our night routine for
Not
the first time
skincare
ever.
night routine, but
yeah, like a different night routine, like everything. So I guess you guys enjoyed this, and get to know something out of this vlog, and we are gonna see you in our next vlog. Until then, stay home, stay safe.